Hi all. So in today's video, let us continue solving the most important questions from real numbers. Okay. So in this question, you are given the HCF and LCM of two numbers are 9 and 360. Okay. If one of the number is 45, find the other number. It's already given. Okay, that one of the number is 45. Okay, so you need to know the relationship between HCF, LCM and the two numbers. Okay, so what is given here? You are given HCF is 9. Okay, you are given LCM is nothing but 360. Now you have to know an important relation, which is nothing but HCF of two numbers multiplied by LCM of two numbers is equal to the product of the two numbers. Okay, so HCF is 9, LCM is 360 is equal to one of the number as 45. Let the other number be B. So B is nothing but 9 multiplied by 360 divided by 45. Okay, 9 5s are 45. And 5 sevens are 35, 5 2s are 10. Okay, so the answer is the other number, that is B, is nothing but 72. You have to find the other number. Okay, it was asked in the CBSE board paper. Yeah, so this is how you have to do. Please remember the formula. This is important. Okay, so wherever you have LCM is given, HCF is given, and one of the number is given, or any other, you might be given LCM and two numbers, you will be asked to find HCF. Even in that case, any one unknown, if it is there and the other three things are known, then you can immediately use this particular relationship. That is, it is applicable only for two numbers. HCF multiplied by LCM is nothing but product of two numbers. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. This question says, write the smallest number which is divisible by both 306 as well as 657. You have to write the smallest number divisible. So first let's do the prime factorization, and since it's asked, okay, the smallest number that is divisible by, you'll have to take the LCM. Okay, let's do the prime factorization. So first one is 306. Start with the lowest prime number, that is 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. Okay, next one 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3. Again 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. Okay, and then 17. For the next number, 657. Let's do the prime factorization with 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. Again 3, 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9. Okay, and then I don't think 73 is a prime. So, okay, so these are the, so if you take 306 is nothing but 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 2, okay, multiplied by 17. And 657 is equal to 3 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 73. Okay, so I'll put a 2 to the power 0 here, and I'll also put a 73 to the power 0, so that you have, and you'll even have to put 70 to the power 0. So you'll make sure that the prime numbers are there in both. Okay, any number raised to the power 0 is 1. All of these values are 1. Okay, so what is the LCM? LCM is nothing but you have to take the highest power of each of the common factors. So for 2, if you take the highest power, here it is 1, here it is 0. Yeah. So for 2. So for lowest, you'll have to take the highest power. So what is the highest power? It's 2 to the power 1. For 3, it is 3 to the power 0. For 17, it is 17 to the power 1. Okay. 17 to the power. Among both the numbers, 306 and 657, you have to see for each and every prime number that you've got the highest power. Okay, multiplied by, what is the other factor? 73 raised to the power 1. Okay, so if you multiply all of these, yeah, 2 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 73. you'll be getting, if you solve, you'll be getting 22338. Okay. Do comment if you are able to do it. Okay. Do the multiplication and let me know what answer you are getting. Okay. Let it be a small exercise for you because you'll also have to do it and see. Okay. Coming to the next question. Yeah. This is the next question. I hope you have made a note. You can pause the video, make a note of the question, and please solve and let me know what is the LCM. And that LCM will be the smallest number divisible by 306 and 657. Okay. Moving on to the next question. Yeah. You are given two numbers are in the ratio 2:3 and the LCM is 180. What is the HCF of these numbers? Okay. So you are given the ratio, right? You don't know exactly what numbers they are. So let the two numbers be 2x and 3x. Okay. Also, we know the LCM, right? The LCM is nothing but 180. Now, I told you a relationship. Yeah, you don't know HCF. You have to find the HCF of these numbers, right? Okay. So, what is the relationship that I told you? It is nothing but, okay, LCM into HCF, that is 180. Now, because you have both the unknowns, right? You don't know the exact numbers as well. And also, you do not know the HCF, right? So, let us do like this. Okay, the first number 2x, I can write it as 2 into x. Okay, for the prime factorization. For 3x, I can write it as 3 multiplied by x, and I'll write a 2 to the power 0, and I'll write a 3 to the power 0 here. Okay, so if you take HCF, okay, for HCF, you have to take the lowest power. Okay, what is the lowest power of each of these prime numbers? For 2, the lowest power is 0. Okay, for x, it is x itself, and for 3 it is 3 to the power 0. So the HCF is x. Okay, and what is LCM? Take the highest power of each. So you'll have 2 into 3, and for x it is x. So it is nothing but 6x. Okay, now you already know what is the LCM. LCM is 180. So LCM, what you have got is 6x. 6x is equal to 180, and x is nothing but 180 by 6, which is nothing but 30. Okay, so if x is 30, that is what is nothing but the HCF. Therefore, the HCF is nothing but 30. Okay, suppose you are asked to find those two numbers. Here in this question, it is not asked. Okay, so the two numbers are 2 into x, 2x, and 3x, right? So which is nothing but 2 into 30 and 3 into 30. Okay, which is nothing but 60 and 90. Those are the two numbers. Okay, clear? So for these two numbers, the LCM is nothing but 180 and the HCF is 30. Okay, but you're not asked the two numbers, you're only asked the HCF. So this is how you have to solve it. Okay, you can pause the video and please try doing it yourself once. Okay, moving on to the next question. 3 alarm clocks ring their alarms at regular intervals of 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and 30 minutes respectively. It is given that if they beep together at 12 noon, at what time will they beep again for the first time? Very important question. Understand here. Okay. So For alarm, there are 3 alarm clocks, right? Alarm 1, alarm 2, and alarm 3. Okay. So all of them, they ring together at 12 noon. Okay. After 12 noon, when will the first alarm ring? It will ring at 12:20. Then at 12:40. And then at 1 p.m. and then at 1:20, right? In intervals of 20 minutes each. For the next alarm clock, it will ring in the interval of 25 minutes. So after 12 o'clock, the first alarm that the second alarm clock will ring is at 12:25 and then 12:50 and then 1:15 and then 1:40. Like this, it will go on. And the third alarm clock will ring once in every 30 minutes. So after 12 o'clock, it will ring at 12:30 and then 1 and then 1:30 and then 2 o'clock. Yeah, it will go on and on. So you have to find out what time will they beep again next. Okay, so let us do the prime factorization of 20, 25 and 30. Okay, and in such questions, at what time will they beep again? Okay, you will have to find out the LCM. Okay, so for 20, let's do the prime factorization. Okay, it is nothing but 2 square into 5. For 25, it is just 5 square. And for 30, okay, so it's nothing but 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, I'm going to put 2 to the power 0 and 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power, so that every 20, 30, 25 and 30, all the three numbers whom we have done prime factorization have got the common prime number. Okay, now take the LCM. Okay, for LCM, you have to take the highest power. So for 2, the highest power is 2 to the power 2. For 5, the highest power is 5 to the power 2. And for 3, it is just 3. Okay, so when if you solve 4 into 25 into 3. Okay, 4 into 25 is 100. 100 into 3, which is nothing but 300 minutes. That's the LCM. Okay, so what is 300 minutes? So it's after 300 minutes from 12 noon. It's after from 12 noon. What this was the first time they had beeped together. It's after 300 minutes. So you have to convert it into hours that they will beep next. Okay, so if you, so 1 hour is nothing but you have 60 minutes. Yeah, therefore, how many hours will be 300 minutes? Just cross multiply. Okay, just cross multiply. It's 300. X is nothing but 60. X is equal to 300. Just cross multiply. Okay. 6 into X. 60X equal to 300. Therefore, X is nothing but 300 by 60, which is nothing but 5. And X is hours. So, 5 hours. Okay, so after 12 noon, it's after 5 hours. Okay, so 12 noon means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At 5 p.m., they will beep together. It's after, okay, so what time will they beep together? The answer is 5 p.m. Okay, this is the answer. Hope you understood. Let us do the next set of questions in the next video. Okay, make sure you comment your most difficult question in your first chapter. Post it as a comment and I will solve the same question in the next video. Do subscribe, do like. Thank you.